Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon to you. I hope you are well this afternoon. I hope you are well, guys. I am well. Right, let's quickly jump into these markets. Another loss again on US30. US30 ripped me off again. Today, yesterday, loss. Today, loss. Particularly, the market dumped, though it didn't really arrive at our key zone, which is the low. So at this point, I would want to see how the opening would be like. I'm of the opinion that we can still buy straight into TP and beyond. So my first setup failed. Where the market is sitting there, it's good to take a long position, risky one, but and then I'll be leaving my TP open. I'm expecting a fly up all the way, right? I'm expecting a fly up all the way. So my TP target will be beyond the highs of the day. And then SL here should be no SL anyway. SL should literally SL below yesterday's key zone here. If we tap that area, I'm out. So buys where the market is sitting there. Second round could work. Let me go to my futures account. See if I cannot take that buy quickly now. This is US30. Where is US30 here? Let's take it there. Okay, order filled. Order filled. And then I'm leaving it open. I am of the opinion that we might push up seriously. I'm still buying. Very bullish. All right, so guys, that's it. That's how I am. We might push all the way up to this zone, which is the key zone of the 8th, somewhere there. So target is 50,135 on these buys. All right, the SL is literally not too wide. I have an SL that is almost how many points? 169 points for a 500 points, which is good. Risk reward ratio is favorable. Let's see. That candle didn't really close, but we'll see how it goes. That's how I am on these markets. I can literally, then NASDAQ, beautiful stuff. Our sell played out very well. The entry was a perfect one. Very, very good there. And it's playing very well there. We'll see how it goes anyway, but we're still on. I'm of the opinion that we might sell to that area there, according to our direction. So we got triggered in the morning. That is a W trade. Meanwhile, US30 stop loss was hit. So I'm balancing my positions based on the NASDAQ win, US30 loss. So let's see. Gold also we hit a stop loss, I remember. Right, that's where the SL was. It just went straight to SL after a very serious long struggle to push up. So that setup didn't play out well. I cannot struggle with it anymore because I cannot see any entry criteria anymore now. At this point, it's just to leave it until we reach 46.56 here. That's when maybe we can try to enter again. But for now, it looks beautiful again for buys, but there is a better entry to avoid drawdowns. So you rather observe it. So let's look at what NASDAQ is doing on our sells. Well, NASDAQ, I'm going to run a risk-free trade again. I'm thinking of moving my SL just below my entry so that I can be on a risk-free trade. So right where this line is, You see that previous red candle on the body of it there. That's where I'll break even. Let me show you this area here. Just there. That's where my stop loss is. Right, then I'll let it run on a risk-free trade. It could still rip us off by breaking the highs in continuation, right? So that's why I'm setting my stop loss below my entry to allow it to either play out or do as it pleases. And then let's see what US30 does. Boom, New York is open. Let's see. Let us see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let me show you my position. And that's my position there. I will need to, I have already marked my stop loss area anyway, so if it gets there, I will take this as a loss. Right. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. NASDAQ still tanking very well. Let's see what it does. Let's see. I'm buying at a very critical zone. Will be a deadly one. Let's see. Not yet. Not yet on my SL. Look at that. Still active. Still active. How many minutes after the opening? 2 minutes. Okay. We'll give it 2 more minutes. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to add a position, and then my SL will be a bit lower, at least to this level. Let's see. So now I'm running a 2 contract. Still far from my SL, as you can see, not yet there. My initial SL was this one, and then after adding a position, I stretched it a little bit lower to this level, and to that level, somewhere here. That's my final destination for the day. NASDAQ dropping very well. Perfect. I continue monitoring my US30 position. Go. 3 minutes. Okay, that means the 4th minute might break this with serious strength. Let me see what it can do. 3 minutes. I always use mind stop losses, so shouldn't worry much about me more than yourself. Okay, let's see. Let me go there and check quickly. Trading view. All right. I have to duplicate this for. Right. Click it there. That's why I'm looking back into stop loss form. I'm going to take this NASDAQ profit partial, and then position very well. Okay, let's see. NASDAQ not yet dumping, sitting at the key zone. We haven't really gone down. I took partial profits a little bit just for control. Let's see what it does. Right, US30 promising. US30 promising. Do I not draw down? Let's go back to my. Let's do not draw down. Yeah. My area of interest. Let's see. Let's see what this thing does for us. I'm trading USD on a very, very dangerous place, particularly because we didn't reach our key zone, and I'm expecting a magic. This was my buy zone yesterday. It's like all of it like that. So a break out of that buy zone, then it means failure. You understand? So back to yesterday's buy zone. So where we are sitting there, it is what it is. Could break, could survive. Let's see. See what it does. Let's see what US30 does. NASDAQ, beautiful. Nice one. Come on, bro. Continue doing what you know best. There we go, guys. US30 drops almost at my first initial SL. I showed you all that is the area of interest, but not yet hit. Not yet hit. Could. Let's see. Let's go back to my top step there, manage it properly. Okay. Right. What is M15 saying? Shoo, like a knife. What is M5 saying? Okay. Let's see. Use this one. Why is this thing not drawing proper line? Okay, first SL hit. That's the SL level that I had marked initially. I see it, but remember, because of the position sizing I added, so I just had to stretch it a little bit lower. So let's see. Let's see what this one does. Could survive. Check my CFD. Okay. How is the audio, guys? Is this audio fine? Is this audio fine? Is my voice okay on YouTube there? Good afternoon, Lily Cats. Good afternoon, Michelle. How are you? Isaac, afternoon. RT, afternoon. Who else is here? US30 is just misbehaving lately, or I'm the one who is missing it. Just a slight mystical. Right, W's for NASDAQ. That's a beautiful trade, isn't it? That's a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. McDonald, how are you? Gat. Are you good? You say the audio is good. Perfect. I don't like what US30 is doing. Honestly. Those W's are for NASDAQ, not US30. W's for NASDAQ. US30, no, not W's. Thank you, PMS, for that W there. Particularly, these indices, the way I have seen them, or the way they behave, the fact that this NASDAQ might be dropping all the way downward, US30 might still just do the same. Okay. Thank you guys for those W's. Much appreciated. Let's check US30. I haven't gone beyond my first initial SL. Well, going back to classes, lessons, literally, where I'm taking these buys is almost like on air, right? There is no balance in terms of today's price that we could look into and say we expect a bounce here, right? Apart from relying on previous, which is yesterday's support. That's what we could literally rely on. But if we are to be fair enough, today's support is this one. And basically that's what this price is to tap and then eventually go back up. Hope this makes sense. Okay, so my first level of SL passed. My second final SL will be here. Then I'm out. Right, that's it. Almost there. Let me go back to my futures. Right, that's it, guys. Let's see. 1.3 down. Let's see what it does. Into US30. Let's see. Right, now I can set fully my SL. Right, that's my level of SL that I'm willing to take, and then whatever it does, no problem. So 1.8 risk for an open TP. Understand? For an open TP, that means I'm expecting this thing to go all the way to 5.6. All right. So if I survive this one, which means I will come out with a 5.6 from this one, that will be my initial target. If I survive, there we go, pushing up with good strength. We need more. Let's see what it does. US30 is a wild animal this week, my friend. It's doing its job. Bonang, if it's not too much trouble, please add PRV, CV keys on TP levels on the gold chart. I only trade gold, even if you use the GC. That's fine. Unfortunately, on gold, I do not have those levels. The levels on daily basis on gold, you see, gold is funny. Let me show you something about gold. Gold literally uses the high of a candle, not of an overall structure. So it uses the high of each candle as it comes out. Each candle has got its high and low. You get my point? But then what I do literally rely on is the calculations. So I can literally calculate the target of gold, then I have to maneuver looking for entry. So these levels that you are seeing here, sitting as they are sitting here, they are calculated levels. So today I didn't calculate, but I was relying on that one there, which was hit already. So I was relying on that. Unfortunately, it broke that structure that I was expecting the market to push back up. So tomorrow, if you are here in the morning, literally gold, to calculate it better, you want to calculate on a closed market around 12, around, is it 11 p.m. Then we can set those levels that we shall rely on the day trading part, not to chase the highs and lows of a candle. I hope this makes sense. Yebo. NASDAQ doing very well. Meanwhile, US30 almost recovering. A nice drop there on NASDAQ, right? So I will also drop my SL to the key zone, just there. Just to the key zone, 29,188. That's my stop loss dropped. Trade running risk free. All right, thank you. Tomorrow I will analyze fully on gold, no problem. Let's go back to our US30. Not yet hit our final SL, so let's watch it. Let's see the behavior of this thing. I think here we are going to go back up. I want to see beautiful stuff. 1.8 for a 5K. 1.8 for a 5K. 1,800 for a 5K. Not bad. Let's go. It could be misleading to think like that, but you are fine. You are very much okay. But if they correlate, maybe place it that way. If they correlate, don't you think that US30 should be sitting at all-time highs, just like NASDAQ? So they might be correlated, but delayed. So the other one is faster than the other. You see, this one is selling. Meanwhile, the other one is giving a buy data. So that's a good sell there, guys. Beautiful stuff. That's a beautiful trade, Larun, isn't it? Look at that. Very beautiful entry from the previous close. Now we are sitting at the CV. Beautiful stuff. I love it. So they can do that, but I'm expecting that at least US30 should go all-time highs. So yes, they are delayed. So right now, US30, I mean NASDAQ might be selling because it's sitting at an all-time high. Meanwhile, US30 might be buying because it has not reached the all-time high like NASDAQ. So if we are to trade them as if they are related, like we want to sell US30 now, sell NASDAQ now, it's going to be a problem. Right now, you can see that this US30, NASDAQ is selling, US30 long sold. And I'm expecting it to bounce back up. Do you see that? So there is a bit of delay in this relation. They don't move together at the same time. Look at that. See that? See that sell? Meanwhile, the other one is buying. I hope this makes sense. Yes, NASDAQ is faster. It has arrived at all-time highs. It's gone. Meanwhile, US30 is still very far. I can tell you that US30 has not reached all-time high price. I have an all-time high price that I'm still expecting to hit, but I haven't hit it. They could be related, but they are not. You don't trade them as a strategy to say, if I sell here, I sell this side. You need to balance them differently. That's why you see US30 is giving us buy TP today. Meanwhile, the other one is giving us a sell TP. You understand? Yeah. Beautiful trade there. Where are the W's? Don't be jealous. You wish it was you, I know. You're welcome, BJ. You're welcome. No jealous. So that's a beautiful trade there, guys. Very, very beautiful one. Thank you so much for those W's on the chat. I am fighting with this guy here. I want to see him ripping the buys off and breaking that TP and high, never looking back again. Meanwhile, this one hit the TP, then we relax, we're out. Is that not smoothness? Well, yesterday, bro, this was my buy. And you know what happened to me yesterday? It's not good. That's over leveraging. If I was running a normal lot, I could have survived this downside and added more positions. Do you see that this thing literally went down, then straight to TP around 9 p.m.? Crazy stuff, isn't it? Those are the days that you face when you're a trader. Right, that's it, guys. NASDAQ sitting at the CV there. Okay, that's it. Let's see what it does. That's my break even, and then that's my CV. Can we break the CV and go below it? That's the question. Did you try to talk to your mother? Unomu phone it. I don't know how to read. Amaranga so phone yanga get trader. Late. Yeah. Akufa phone yanga beke blow udla mpatela. Will you pay me? Thank you for those W's, guys. Thank you. W's on the chart. Let's not be jealous. Understand? Beautiful trade. Is this not beautiful? Look at how smooth this thing is. Too much money. Too much money, my friend. That's the mathematics for you. I love it. Chart billings, how are you? Let's look into this one. This is where our interest is. Can we get momentum to 10? But the 10 there will be literally relying on yesterday's low. You get my point? That's where we are relying on. Thank you so much for those W's. Piri, thank you. Chart billings, thank you. Nelly Siwe, thank you for those W's. US30 is still misbehaving. Let's go back to Top Step and see. I'm now $300 down. Can they take my 1.8? It looks like. It looks like. But we shall see. We'll see who is strong here. My village people or me? Just a minute, guys. Tough one, is it? Tough one. There we go, guys. This buy is not buying. This buy is not buying. This sell also almost at our break even on NASDAQ. US30 still tanking. If it passes that level, then the next stop will be my stop. Then I'm out. Let's see. All right, let's see what it does. Crazy. NASDAQ. I see chai gante 5. So, I thought you all coding. Can I have my bracelet, bro? Where is it? You check it that side. Come on. Very interesting. I don't want to TikTok. Hello everyone, how are you doing? How is everyone doing on TikTok? Are you guys okay? Is everything fine on your side? How are you doing? We are running these buys on US30. And sells on NASDAQ. But I hope you are doing well. Don't forget to like and follow this channel. Come also on YouTube and be part of us. Enjoy yourself there. There we go. Still melting on NASDAQ. Beautiful. Can we smash that TP, bro? Smash that TP. We think I'm gonna hana maraka 5 low. Konya. Why you laughing? Why you laughing? What's funny? Gotta sell a 5 lot darbo. You got say what's him? Am I gambling? It's an entry, this thing, bro. This one here. It's an entry. I'm too late. May allow me to trade my plan. You are not a financial advisor. You can trade a plan. It's a no one. It's a 3 lot. Why wanna read? It's a 3 lot. Where are they? Sell entry musilai. Yeah. Hey Kyali. That other day. Not. It's yesterday, that buy. Arbo. He entered that day. It's a margin fund. How much am I risking here, Lux? Let's see. Two minutes to go. There we go. 500. 600. 100. 1.1. Done. Sharp. Bye bye. See you later. While I think 1.1 collected in and out. That's what we call in and out. So if I was down, I'm up. Doesn't matter how long it took. now we are risking that one, but we are safe now. You understand? So we can hold this one. Michelle, you enter while you are shaking. But 1.1 is a lot for me. It's a lot in my plan. That's a lot. It's gonna go down further, but I'm fine. Let me be praying that this one goes up. Now there we go. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, guys. Let's go back to the chart. And how many minutes have we gone? 38 minutes. We still have time. Right, so we closed above our CV. That's the one that I had. So let's see if we will sustain the downside momentum. But it gave me something. I can buy you a cold drink, my friend. 1.1. I'll buy you something. And buy you something. Those are trades that you take to your own risk, my friend. But you are gambling. It's not gambling. I wanted my money back. It's not gambling. How do you say a winning trade is gambling? Guys, do you call that gambling? It's scalping. Scalping. That's what we call scalping. You are in and out. You know, that's an entry area. Remember, our strategy says we don't enter a trade below, we enter above. So that was a very good scalping trade. Maybe at least 5 lot of fella. And I had to make it 3. I had to make it 3. Let's see. But that's a beautiful downside, guys. Beautiful stuff. I think this is beautiful. I'm running this on my CFD. Beautiful entry I took there from a previous close. Beautiful. Yeah, it's just balancing levels. You can imagine. All right, there we go. Pushing up, guys. This could be our game changer. We are left with 5 minutes from now, but let's see what it does. I'm still of the opinion that we might recover here. Very strong. With an open TP anyway. Let's go back to our chart. This is it. This is it. We might survive this one. You understand? For a 5K here. So which means whatever that US30 took in the morning, it came back with NASDAQ. You see the power of scalping. There are no spreads here. Remember, we trade on top step, my friend. They are only charging commission now, not spreads. So on that 1.1 that I closed, they gave me 1.79. It's only commission charged. This is the best. Futures is the best, bro. Tightest. Intact. You enter at the very price there. No spreads. Nice one on US30, guys, isn't it? This is beautiful. Damn fun. So we might survive this one forever. Let's see. Do or die. Remember, we took it up there and then I added a position. Then my position adjusted. That's the nice part about these futures. My TP is open to that high. If it continues going up there, but we're back. Let's see what it does. I love it. 3 minutes to go, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this our YouTube channel. Subscription is for free. You don't pay anything every month. It's free. You just click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever we are live, you are notified. We are up and running this week, guys. Last week I couldn't stream. So I'm compensating all the days of this week. We are here on stream this whole week. We are together. There is no Zoom session, but only streams here. So let's see how far we can push. As for subscriptions, guys, I very much appreciate. I think the mask might have just fallen off and never coming back again if I look into how this thing is. Now we are sitting at 966 subscribers. We're almost at 1,000. So mask might never come back here, I'm telling you. I couldn't fly with my mask. They said you can't fly with this mask, my friend. Must never do that. Left it. So there we go. Currently, how many subscribers? 966. So how many left, Laron? 44. Yeah? 34. 34 to 1,000. Nice. Now 34 people who are watching here, you can take this to 1,000. Don't be like this now. Let's go. 1,000 subscribers, guys. I love it. You see this? This is a very good growth. We are not declining. We are just growing. Going up, 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 up. That's beautiful. Drop that subscription button, please. We don't want to buy robots so that we look like we have got many people. You understand? We want many people. Reality. We cannot fake it. You understand? We want straight stuff here. There we go, guys. Our time is up anyway. Thank you so much for joining us. Growing consistently. Yes, thank you, Michelle. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time. Beautiful stuff. On my side, I'm holding my second setup on US30. I'm still going to hold that one. And then as of NASDAQ, I am thinking that this is the time for me. I kill that trade. Basically, I think for me, this will be enough. Whatever that I made on my CFD account there, closing there at a W for me. This is enough. But nevertheless, this market is still going to continue dropping, and we expect it to go to the sell TP. As long as we're above the CV, which is 29064, this market is still going to break down all the way to TP. Then from the TP area here, then I'm looking for buys again. From this zone, I'll be buying. So I'll be watching this market, monitoring it and seeing how it goes. If we reach the sell TP, then buy with my closed eyes. All right, other than that, thank you so much for joining me. There we go. Beautiful stuff, beautiful trade. It's back in profits, that trade there. It might continue ripping these highs off. If we break all-time, I mean, not all-time highs. No. If we break the highs of the day today, that's it. It means we are going all the way to that 5,000 USD mark there. See, so we are in profits right now. We're just going to monitor this and see how it goes. And then we see later how this went. But buys still very much possible to continue holding them. Other than that, thank you so much for joining me. From me to you, I love you all with the love of Christ. Thank you so much for the continued support. And those who would want to join our lifetime mentorship, learn where we get these levels, learn the market movement direction on daily basis, you are free to join BFI members. There we see NASDAQ is still going straight to that sell TP there. That's a beautiful trade. I think I'm happy with how we took US NASDAQ today. This is precise, precision, they say. English, precision, precisely, at an exact level. You understand? No kululu, no kalala, no negotiations. No kululu and kalala is this side. But that side, bro, precision, stability, straight into a Lamborghini. Nevertheless, guys, I love you all. See you when you see me. Tomorrow we are back up again, exactly 8:45 in the morning, Central Africa time. That's our session in the morning. Trading the London, and then we take it from there. Other than that, see you when you see me. Danko.
you.